This is really just a video for those who want to get started in biking in Switzerland. I hope you can still hear me. I'm here now next to the freeway. It's quite loud. Yeah, I'll speak up a bit, just had to go on a side road. So when you bike in Switzerland, first of all, wear a helmet. I'm not wearing one. I just didn't grow up that way. But if I've been biking in Switzerland for over 20 years, it shouldn't be an excuse, of course. Most of the time I do wear a helmet. I did want to bring it, especially if you're new. You may break some bones when you have an accident, which can be easily fixed. But if you break your skull, that's a whole different story. That's why wearing a helmet when biking is really of utmost importance. Besides that, I mean, if you're new in your area and you do want to make sure that you arrive at your designated goal, or if you make a tour and you don't want to get lost, then it would be smart to have a GPS or navigation system. The one I'm using right now is a Komoot. Not sure how you pronounce that, but I'll link it in the description down below. Why I'm using that app? Because it's specifically made for hiking, sports like running, walking, and biking, of course, mountain biking. So it looks for paths that are specifically made for that sport that you're doing. Just notice I'm fogging up the lens with my breath. So yeah, that's the other thing. Dress according to the temperature, of course. Always bring rain gear. Check the weather on your weather app. Wear gloves in winter because those are the things that get immediately cold your extremities. The other thing is wear, like now I'm really cold because this, like if you wear clothes like this, it doesn't prevent the wind from coming in. So wear wind stoppers. Wear jackets that really like a soft shell, something like that. Wind stopper jackets, rain jackets, something thin over the thicker layer, just to prevent the wind from coming in, from getting cold. Usually the legs, they don't get that cold, so you can even bike in shorts when it's cold, no big deal. So the shoes is also not such a big deal. You can, sometimes I like to bike with slippers or clogs. Just make sure that they don't slip off the pedals. That's a big deal. Always check that your bike is in a good working condition. Check your brakes, of course, and the air. I always have like this portable pump with me. Depends on what kind of a biker you are. If you're a hardcore biker, of course, you want to make an extensive tour that's much further. You would need to bring, of course, a repair set, like with these small stickers, or an extra bike tire. What's another thing is, what we did is we have this TCS membership wherein you can call them up. Of course, that's for the people who don't take it so seriously. You can call up someone from TCS and someone will pass by and fix your bike, so you can go along again. And one fun fact is that in Switzerland, before you had to have a sticker or a license plate on your bikes. You had to register your bikes. You had to buy these stickers. That's not necessary anymore. I think they stopped it a few years ago. There's no mandatory wearing of helmets yet. All you need really to bike is a bike. You don't need to do any tests. You don't need any stickers, license, registration. The insurance when you are biking is included or should be included in the house insurance. Okay, I'm finally back. I'm in our bike cellar. Almost every apartment in a building block comes with a bike cellar where you park your bike, or a bike shed. Just make sure that you don't park your bike just anywhere. Another thing is, if you have kids, there are two options. Either you buy a seat where you put it on the back. I think we're gonna get one of those for the little one because they grew out of this one here. I'll show some videos of how we use this one. The other option on biking is the so-called cargo bikes. They are okay even for bigger kids. I think they can carry up to 100 kilos or even more. That would be an option. It's very expensive to purchase, especially the ones who are the type of the e-bikes with the battery and an electric motor. That's about it. That's how you bike in Switzerland.